Look at this beautiful view we have. You can see downtown Denver over there. We're kind of in where the mountains start. We're kind of in like the foothills. But anyway, here's what we're here to see in this video. It looks like they tacked an elevator right onto the side of it. So let's go film it, might as well. Apparently the elevator's way newer than the building. Didn't say what brand it was, but... Oh, it's a Schindler. 3300. Whoa! Wait a minute. Whoa! Oh, that's actually like really rare. I've never seen it. Wait! It's a 3300 with center opening doors! That's like so rare. You never see that. That's cool. All right, let's get our cab view. Wait, that's really freaking cool. Because you never see this kind of 30 or any 3300 really, especially not the ones with these old fixtures. You never see them with center opening doors. They're always two-speed telescoping doors. That's really neat. Anyway. Up to 2. I wish they didn't have these pads in here so we could have seen the proper cab, but that's all right. At least we get to ride it. Runs decently. We got a view outside. Nothing much. If we go down here. Yeah, I know a lot of people kind of shit on the 3300 because, you know, it's pretty cheap and flimsy. Like, and I get it. Like, it's all sheet metal, but honestly, they run decent enough. My only complaint with the 3300 is that it takes a second between when it stops and when the doors open. They don't level as fast as the other ones, but anyway.